Hi guys, sanibonani, igama lami Nelisiwe Sibiya. So today I'll be doing hair review. It's my first time doing this thing, guys, so please do not judge me. And I will start with beautiful hair that I recently received from Uwins Hair. Oh guys, I'm really excited. Okay, let me just quickly show you the hair. So this is what I received from Uwins Hair, 100% bob, and I received the wig caps. There's 2 of them, and then I received this little cute bag with a comb inside, when I'm putting on my wig, and some clips. There's 2 of them, so cute, and some bobby pins and a tweezer. So this is okay. I really got excited when I opened this box and I literally saw this. I was like, wow, guys, this is serious. Bugan, imagine I got this. So let me put on my hair and then I will show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, for someone who doesn't really like short hair, I really decided to challenge myself and get hair from Uwins, and I got a bob. Let's see how it looks. So this is a frontal bob. Oh my gosh, love it. It feels amazing. I haven't done anything to the hair, guys. Literally, I just took it from out of the box. And look at this. I love it. So my friend decided to just call me and disturb me. Anyway, the nicest thing I like about this hair is that you can literally do any hairstyle you want. It feels amazing. It's so good, man. Look at this, guys. This is great. This is another hairstyle. I don't even have a glue on, nothing. Haven't even laid my edges. 0. The hair is amazing. Okay, I love it. Uwins, you win. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to the original one. Oh guys, I love it. Please buy the hair. It's on sale even. I'll post about it.